All right, so let's go through this question. Okay, a car left in Sawam 9:45 a.m. Okay, so it arrived in Kumasi in 3 hours 17 minutes later. So what time did the car get to Kumasi? So very simple. So there's the car. Okay, so the car. Okay, so the car, started at 9 9:45, okay, a.m. Okay, so this one is in Sarum to Kumasi. Okay, so in 3 hours 17 minutes. Okay, so this car arrived in Kumasi in 3 hours 17 minutes time. Okay, so what we are going to do, okay, if we have to calculate for the time that the car get to Kumasi, we need to add 3 hours 45 minutes to the 9:45. Okay, so we have 9:45. Okay, so 9:45, so we have plus 3 hours 17 minutes. Okay, so when we add 15 minutes from here to this 45 minutes, it will be 1 hour. Okay, so if I take 15, this side will be 2 minutes. Okay, so this one has given us plus 1 hour here. Okay, so 1 plus 9 is 10, so 10 plus 3, so we have 11, 12, 1. Okay, so we have 1 3. Okay, so the car get to Kumasi at 1 2. As simple as that. All right.